My beautiful Valkyrie. Since the day you literally walked into my life, I had a connection to you. That day in training, I was hoping and praying you would be sitting next to me, so I had an opening. At the time, I didn't know why that initial feeling was so strong. I realize now why they were so strong. From sight seen, I knew you were the one I was supposed to spend the rest of my life with. Before you, I was scared of being committed like this. I was scared I would lose myself and turn into someone that person wanted or expected of me. Though I sit here today and I feel no fear. I feel excitement, joy, happiness, and pride. You let me be myself.
Tyler, I seek to know of you and ask to be given the wisdom to see you and love you as you are. You are the person that I share all that I am. I take you with joy and delight into your love. You are my friend and lover. Grow old and wise with me as I will do with you. We shall walk side by side and meet whatever comes together. There is a life before us of rainbows and sunsets, and a willingness to share in happiness and sadness. I love you, I adore you, and our love will endure forever and a day.
You've accepted my darkness, my past, and you push me to be a better version of myself. I think back to our beginning when we said we should take this slow, us trying to be mature. Then within 6 months we were living together. I've never been so happy to fail in my life. Doing this, we have been able to spend every second we can with each other, making up for the 20 plus years we couldn't spend with each other. Then I'll communicate that I put it in my vows. You signed the contract, and you're the one that burned the receipt to return me. But most importantly, I've got to be your booby. To be your jokester, lover, standing stone, your best friend, your Marine. I love you, my beautiful Mrs. Smith.
By the authority committed to me as a minister of the Church of Christ, I get to declare that you are now husband and wife, and now you may kiss the bride.
Wind whispers softly, so quiet, like my name on your lips. I've spent my whole life wishing that things would just change. I never stayed.
Throughout our lives, I have dealt with my daughter with uniforms. Whether it be a dance uniform, a civil uniform, a security uniform, a police uniform, it's always uniforms. And it is the day that she looks the most beautiful of her life. And I have to say those words. Who gives away the daughter? And I have to say hi. Let me put it this, ladies. You always say, oh, you guys don't have to deal with labor. Going through labor, it's worse.
I've spent my whole life wishing that things would just change. I never stayed in the same place, but something has shifted inside.
first time I met Robin, she is a doll. She is one of the nicest, most genuine, lovely people to be around.
Yeah.
So I'm so glad that you're going to be in our family. You two mesh so perfectly. You guys are just the wonder, like picturesque couple that I will buy and get one day.
So we find ourselves right here, just holding tight to the moments before they slip away.